am who God says I am. I can do what he says I can do. I'll be everything that he called me to be. Nothing will stop me. Nothing will hinder me. Nothing will delay me. I am the trailblazer in my family. I am the one who changes my bloodline. I don't care what nobody has to say. Nobody, no thing shall ever stop the plan of God on my life.
நான் அப்படி இருக்கிற ஆள்லாம்
English how is it?
All the way to English. Good morning. I am Bulden, R&D of AOS, founder of AOS. Okay, today is the second part of Step-Up FlyWheel Generator. Power up the tire building. Right? Okay. Right. Now, just follow me. Alright? Okay. Alright. Let me get a ladder. Okay. From the panel, there's a single phase, which I told you. Right? This is going to the machine. This is a single phase only, one light current only. So I'm going to on this. Alright? This is RCBO. Right? And this is changeover. Alright? Later, after the machine is ready generating the current, then by the time I will stand by the this one. Alright? Okay. So I stand by now. This is the incoming 3-phase from the machine. Alright? But now in the standby mode. Later when I off, this one will switch automatically. So the machine will be generating power up the entire building. Okay? Alright.
One more. Then once the machine hold on.
No. So already on. The panel.
Hold on.
This is the panel. Alright. This is the M machines, M meters, and this is RPM, and this is a speed controller. Just a simple. Alright. Start, stop. Alright, and this is for the blower. Because there's a problem here. Once you're gonna stop the machine, the current will be returned back to the driven motor. So in order to eliminate the return current, so I need this blower to blow there's a device called braking resistor. Alright, so it will absorb all the return currents, which will not affect the driven motor. Okay.
So possible if you believe. So keep on speaking life. I know from the love of God that nothing can separate me. Not even death, either life. I know poverty catches up with you, my slumber or sleep. So I'm into sleep at night, and the Lord is my strength. Who should I be afraid of? I fall on my knees and repent. He's better than what I done gave her. If I am the one being sent, Satan gon' see what I'm made of. Man, if he had any sins, I'm telling you now he would change her. It's a delicate thing when I say I'm a step for the king. I put that on everything. With a mess, I'm clean. I don't mess with the devil, it's things. I love and respect Elohim, he be setting us free. We know that all things are working together, declare and decree. Do you know of all the things God is preparing for me? No, it's never been seen.
Drive the flywheel, and from flywheel we go to alternator. From the alternator, go to the stabilizer. So from the from stabilizer, you will go back to the building. All right, the return current, which is 3-phase current. Okay, I'm gonna increase. Now you see the RPM is 71. So I'm gonna increase slowly. For your safety reason, please move away from the machine because, okay, all right, 272. Now the low RPM. Let me go slow first, slowly, all right. But the alternator, it will only generate 50 kW current when it reaches the RPM 1500, right? Now it goes slow RPM, you don't see anything, but later you're gonna see something. You're gonna display in the amp meters. Okay, now you see some blinking slowly. There's a blink lights, right? So because it's low RPM, okay. That is a test bulb. I put a test bulb over there. All right. In order to know that the voltage is already present, but it is very low, very low. Right? Come back here. I'm going to increase the current. Now, you hear some sound because it's going the high.
It's very fast.
Yeah, it's a data connection. That's why you will hear a second like that. Okay. Alright, now is 111. The voltage is 111. But with the voltage 111, I cannot power up the machine, power up the building. I need about 1500 RPM, which generate about 239 to 240 each phase. 240 the standard. And 60 hertz.
Yeah.
I must reach
50 hertz. 50.
Now is a 27 hertz.
Sure, not yet.
Not yet.
Without 50 hertz, you can't do anything.
Yeah. So we need to reach 50 hertz. Sorry,
Correct.
50 hertz, not 60 hertz.
50. 50.
Now 120 volt. This is startup procedure. Slowly will increase the speed. We cannot simply straight away increase the speed. It doesn't work like that. You know, we need to monitor. It's all for the safety reason.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Now, you're doing it manually.
Manually.
By raising up.
Yeah.
Can later part you reach something, but if
Yeah,
by
yeah.
itself you need to increase. No need a man to just.
Yeah, can be
that.
programmed.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Yeah. It's a programmable, but for the safety reason, for the operator, in order to start, they must familiar with the manual.
Yes, right.
How manual procedure, how the machine works. So if they don't understand that, there will be some mistake will be happen. That's the reason. Okay. Right now 899 still not enough. The voltage is 120.
No, yeah.
120 maybe enough for US 120.
Japan.
Japan.
110.
Yeah. So every time I ram up, it plunge to another 10 watts.
So
another
how
10.
long does it take you to ram up? How many minutes?
I can go faster than this.
Actually, about safety reason, 5
For
10
safety,
minutes.
yeah, just make it. Every 1 minute or gap.
Yeah, okay.
So now we're gonna observe everything is okay or not. Everything is okay. Everything is okay.
Yeah, the lights increasing.
Then there will be a pressure here, air pressure, because of the flywheel. So that's why I open. Okay. Now 150. Now 150, which is the part one. We achieved 150. Yeah. All right. around 160 we achieved, right?
Yeah.
But this time I'm gonna go for the higher 240.
Can I take a picture of it?
I'm gonna ramp the last ramp now 200. Okay, I need to reach somewhere 1500. Alright? Okay. So now the power is ready to the alternator, but it is not a stable current. Alright? It is not a stable current. I need to stabilize this current. Alright? So then from the alternator it must go to stabilizer in order to stabilize. Now I'm gonna on this.
Wait,
On this.
okay, hold on.
Okay, on this. Now you can see there's a 240 is already present. Okay, right. Now you see is the amp output is a 9 amp, 9.6 amp, 10 amp. Okay, 10 amp single phase. Okay, you want to take a video? This is the evidence. This is not a scam. You know, YouTube always, you know, people are watching YouTube. People don't have a knowledge in engineering. They don't understand the basic things of engineering. And end up they follow everyone. Oh, it's a scam, it's a scam. No, this is step up power. Okay, you need something in order to generate a big power. Alright, in the physics there's no such thing, nothing will create something. You need something to create something. Alright, that's the thing. 96. Now power is ready in order to
lights no.
Okay, now I'm gonna switch. Right, this is from the machine power. From the machine power, I can measure. Okay, the current is already in present. Close off this.
Yes.
This is the main.
Yes.
From the DB.
Yes.
I'm gonna off this, so it's gonna switch, right? So it switched. So now you can see, as usual, everything is running. Everything is running. The entire building, right? On this. Okay, you make a hole. One more again.
एंगल पकड़ बड़ा हो जल्दी
important. I show you like this. There's another spring here. Take this. What is the voltage? 3-phase outgoing capacitor wire. Alright? So what is the voltage? 4.15.
That's the standard.
I can go more. I can go more.
But cannot. This standard here, standard 4.5.
I can go more. The machine can go more. 420 the day, right?
Record your one. You explain here.
Okay.
You might here.
Grinder. How your grinder? Okay. Grinder okay. Okay. Grinder is okay. Grinder. Verify everything. Okay. Just minus tolerance to 2 watts.
2 watts, huh?
Tolerance.
Because we have this
Yeah.
single 3-phase.
Yeah. Okay. Like I told you, right?
Yeah.
From here, there will be unstable current.
Yes.
From there, you need to stabilize 240, 240, 240.
Yes.
So
we need to have the stabilizer. Okay. It's
Yeah.
actually fluctuating.
Yeah. Stabilizer is here. You stabilize the current.
Yeah.
Whatever tolerance needed, add on, you will stabilize it.
After the machine, so how much amps can you give from this machine at present? How many
Okay.
amps?
Actually, it can give up to 150 amps
150 amps.
and 150 amps.
So in case,
Okay, but your TV got standard. They give 100 amps
Yes, right.
for the 3-phase.
Yes.
So it is limited. If you want to increase, you put in 150. Your ECCD, yeah.
So if in case, if I want to increase to 200 amps,
And 200 amps, I need to change this.
change
Another model which
another
is
model.
go for 80
So
kW.
in future, I can keep on increasing.
Yeah, I
As
can.
the customers want it, how many amps they want it.
We AOS, we got a plan. From this is our start base model. From this is 50 kW. We gonna go up to 2,500 kW. I gonna break the world record. Okay, I gonna break the world record 2,500. Step up FlyWheel Generator. Thank you.
Now, my question is that, now for example, if my plant is very big, can I create part 1, part 2 of this machine?
Yes,
So I
yes.
don't want to put one big machine,
Yeah.
it's going to be a cost. Can I make it a simple one? This area one machine, another area one
Yes,
machine.
yes.
So how is the costing will be lower or higher?
According to your budget, because you are managing
Yes.
precisely how much kW, of course you will save the current.
Okay, like, another question is that, now I'm using genset in a factory, no current. So can a genset power up this tank?
Genset, yeah. Let me get back to you. Okay, 3 functions about this. One is to step up the current. Second, you can use the solar to connect the small current because this machine only requires small current. Alright, so you can use the solar. Third, some of you mostly are looking for cycle the power, which is no logic according to the physics, but I can give you what you want. You want to cycle the current. You want to cycle the current. So for that, I told you just now, you need something to turn to something. Alright? So from this machine, you already receive the power. Alright? That power we store up into the capacitor bank. Alright? You already have a storage power. Then that one will cycle back to this incoming Alright? Then the power will be cycle.
In that case, you're telling me I don't use the same thing also.
Yes, yes,
So I can use the storage and solar power to start up the thing.
yes.
So I need a power bank.
Capacitor bank.
Capacitor bank, okay, right?
Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to off the machine.
Okay, yeah, very
Okay.
good. Until it's there.
Very easy. Very easy. Just on this, then it will switch.
By itself, okay.
Okay. Then this one you off it. Okay. Off it. Block it. Okay. This one not yet. Not yet. Need to slow down the generator. This is the slow down procedure. Slow down procedure. I'm gonna bring down. So there's one thing I need to off this. I need to off this. Okay. So it's slowing down. It's slowing down slowly. Then because it's slowing down, there's one issue here. There will be a return current, big current. Alright? Return to the driven motor. There's a driven motor behind this. Alright? So in order to absorb that all this the return current, alright, I need to use a braking resistor. Everybody knows what is a braking resistor. It will absorb the return energy. Okay? So let me on the blower. Now I turn on the blower. Why? Because this braking resistor become hot. It absorbs the current. So this blower will blow up, cool down the braking resistor. Okay? So slowly I go down and let it go down, power drop, right? Slowly, because the braking resistor need to handle the current. So you don't give you a big current to absorb. Slowly, you drop the voltage. Slowly you drop the voltage. Okay? And the RPM go down. Okay? Okay. Let it run for a while. It is absorbing the return current. Now it's already go to the minimum RPM. Like now I can stop the flywheel. Alright? And the flywheel is already stopped. How we know flywheel is stopped? RPM will drop. Okay, zero. RPM becomes zero, right? Blower must be on. Just for 50 minutes, around 5 minutes also okay. Because right now, the braking resistor becomes hot. It absorbs the return current.
For that, well understood. In future we communicate more. If possible today, can I have video focus with my clients?
Yeah.
For braking inhibitors?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you very much. We are looking forward.
Sure.
Alright.
I done been in the world, but I never been friends with the world. Maybe because I'm not of the world, I don't follow the world. Even if I'm meant to take an L, then it's probably out of this world. I'm a model of the world, I'm a represent God on this earth. In and outside of the church, the Father is first. I don't have a physical Bible, but baby, my Bible that broke. I know God is the one that supplies me with all that I need. That is through Jesus Christ, and I'm certain that all things are possible if you believe. So